Today, we're discovering one of Sin City's boutique hotels in the Arts District in Las Vegas, Nevada. Stay tuned. Hi friends, welcome to another episode on Vacayole with an in-depth look at some of the most amazing hotels, resorts, and so much more. It's Manni the Travel Agent, and today we are heading to the English Hotel, Las Vegas, a tribute portfolio hotel. The English Hotel is located at 921 South Main Street. If you're traveling by air, then the Harry Reid International Airport is just 9.2 miles away. If you want hassle-free transfer to the hotel, then a super shuttle service is available and will only cost you $11 for a one-way trip. For those driving into the city, the English Hotel provides a particularly unique amenity: complimentary on-site parking. In Las Vegas, where parking fees can add up, this is a rare and valuable perk. There are also several complimentary off-site parking and city street parking options. The hotel also hosts an electric car charging stations for eco-friendly travelers. The hotel can be accessed conveniently through the RTC routes 401 and 108, which will easily help you link to prominent fun destinations and business points in the city, including the dynamic Las Vegas Strip and the huge Las Vegas Convention Center. With these routes coming your way, experiencing the city will not have to use an automobile. Taxis and ride-sharing services, such as Uber and Lyft, are omnipresent. Upon arrival, you will be met with a modern, classy lobby. The design is created with contemporary grace in the combination of comfort and a home-like atmosphere. And remember, this hotel is for adults only, as all guests must be at least 21 years of age. The property is also smoke-free and pet-friendly, allowing up to 2 dogs per room with a non-refundable fee per stay. Let's head up to one of the guest rooms. Each room is designed for dual occupancy and comprises a king bed with 235 square feet of space. All designs aim to ensure maximum comfort and style in the most confined area possible. A distinctive feature of the room is the floor-to-ceiling windows that offer sound insulation. During the day, the room is flooded with natural light, making the environment bright and inviting. It's innovative, with a transparent mirror shower and light control adjustable according to your preference, taking privacy to your level. Enjoy customized living space in this comfortable environment. Other extras in the bathroom include a lighted makeup mirror and hair dryer to make sure you have all that is necessary for your stay to be comfortable. The hotel provides complimentary bottled water as a service to you. You'll enjoy an oversized flat panel television with premium movie channels like ESPN and HBO, as well as a radio for a little music in the background. The rooms feature a signature cocktail cart, providing that super special touch of luxury to your stay. This is excellent for having to unwind in your room by making yourself a handcrafted drink after a tough day of exploration in the city. The mini fridge is another very useful amenity that allows guests to store snacks and beverages very conveniently. Daily housekeeping services keep your room clean and comfortable throughout your stay. Complimentary high-speed Wi-Fi is available in all guest rooms and public areas. Sharing your Las Vegas adventures with friends, or just being a social media maven. High-quality linens and amenities, along with attention to detail, guarantee a comfortable stay. The English Hotel offers a variety of amenities to enhance your stay. The outdoor pool is highlighted with an environment that's calm and relaxing. The pool is heated and towels are provided, so you need not worry about it not being a great place to get the perfect tan or take a leisurely swim. For the sustainable travel adventurer, the hotel will also have on-site Tesla rentals for the hour or by the day. That's one more thing that will make the English Hotel unique in its amenities. You need to dine at the Pepper Club, Todd English's new restaurant in Las Vegas. The venue serves a high-caliber menu of locally sourced ingredients, complemented by a dining experience that is both authentic and memorable. The hotel's restaurant is open daily. Happy hour runs every day with drink specials and discounted appetizers. This place offers a cozy and hospitable atmosphere for relaxation over drinks. A stay at the English Hotel is all about location in the lively arts district of Las Vegas. Let's look into some of the attractions that are close by. Just 2 miles away is the Fremont Street Experience, an exciting pedestrian mall with live music, street performers, and the dazzling Viva Vision light show. That's a can't-miss spot to really take in the serious vibes around downtown Las Vegas. For more traditional Las Vegas entertainment, the north end of the Las Vegas Strip is 2 miles from your hotel. There, you will find world-class casinos, spectacular shows, and dining at literally some of the finest places found anywhere. It is 3 miles to the Las Vegas Convention Center, meaning the English Hotel is perfect for those visiting Las Vegas for a convention or on business. Shopping enthusiasts will be pleased to know that the Las Vegas Premium Outlets are accessible. This shopping paradise plays host to an array of high-end designer stores with mind-blowing deals. Experience the culture, just minutes away at the Smith Center for the Performing Arts in Symphony Park. Located near a plethora of variety, the English Hotel offers the ideal location as a base from which to discover all that Las Vegas has to offer. Now, let's break down our review of the English Hotel, Las Vegas, using our Olay rating system, with each category rated out of a maximum of 4 Olays. Comfort and room amenities, 3.5 Olays. The bed is well set up with comfortable bedding, while the windows block out all outside noise. The amenities include a signature cocktail cart and a lot of thoughtfulness around the mini fridge. Really cozy and comfortable. Modern design with an emphasis on cleanliness. However, small in size, not good for much more than basic accommodations. Service and staff. 4 Olays. The staff at the English Hotel are very friendly and professional. Points to compliment include a personalized note when checking in, which provides guests with a kind of individual and special service. Amenities and facilities, 3.5 Olays. There is no gym at this hotel, but its outdoor heated pool, on-site Tesla rentals, and dining at the Pepper Club are all of special quality. For gym lovers, it is only a slight mark against the hotel. Location and accessibility, 4 Olays. Located in the heart of the Arts District, the place provides easy access to most visited attractions and important landmarks in Las Vegas. The availability of public transportation and nearby parking makes it quite hassle-free. Best deals on the local arts and culture scene can be found. In general, the English Hotel gets good scores in every category and is one of the choices for those travelers who look forward to a unique and boutique experience in Las Vegas. It offers comfort, great service, and a good location. Your stay here will be unforgettable. If you're looking for that place to stay in Las Vegas that, shall we say, is unique and memorable, this would be it. The English Hotel. Contact us to book your stay today to be certain you get to experience everything the best of what Las Vegas can offer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more travel tips and hotel reviews. Drop a comment if there's a specific place you want us to see next or to have any questions about today's trip. And remember, when you're ready to book, we're just a message away. Until next time, life's a journey. Stay Vacayole. See you at the next stop.